Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking, and it's not me. So, Philip Fredrickson, what did we do today?
Oh, we went and delivered some stuff to some clients and picked up some stuff we needed for work, and we went to Ciccia
In Barrio Logan.
And brought home some chow.
So we've got veal Milanese. We have a nice arugula salad that goes with the veal Milanese. We have a quinoa barley salad. There's fresh focaccia. There's things I can't pronounce, but there is lasagna and there are mushroom flan. So we are going to serve all this up and give lots of love. This is going to be a super abbreviated It's What's Cooking episode because I have not eaten since yesterday and I'm about to faint. So, and I get grouchy when I haven't eaten, right, Mackenzie and Philip?
No argument here.
Huh?
No argument here.
See, I get grouchy. So blood sugar,
angry,
crashing, crashing. So anyway, we are going to have some delicious, this is the ubriacha. So you have to go see Chef Mario, and he used to be with
Francesca.
BJ at Island and 4th in the Gaslamp for many, many years. So this is looking so good. I'm going to get a spoon to show you. So if I'm not mistaken, they cook the noodle, and they make all these noodles fresh. They cook it in red wine instead of water, and it turns a really cool color, like a red color. And I believe that has sausage with it.
And it's delicious.
It is so good. It smells delicious. I'm doing everything in my power not to take a bite. Okay.
You should.
No, because we're also serving up some of It's What's Cooking to our neighbor Jan. So I would not taste it until I plate everybody. Okay. This is it's a beet gnocchi with mushrooms. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. Oh, with the cream sauce. It looks delectable. Okay. This is the lasagna. I can't get that to close. Everything smells delicious. Let me see.
Everything will be delicious.
Oh gosh.
We've never had bad food from Chef Mario.
In fact, Chef Mario
and Chef Francesca.
and Chef Francesca. They make all of their mothers and aunts and uncles and grandparents' favorite recipes that they grew up in. Oh, lasagna. This looks pretty darn good.
Okay, I have to come over and see that too.
Okay.
Ooh.
Right? Can you guys see the lasagna?
What else do they make that's like my favorite?
Oh, yeah.
anywhere?
I was just going to say. So Philip Fredrickson did not eat eggplant parmesan when I met him. And eggplant parmesan is like one of my absolute favorite things. And Chef Mario, it was at BJ? No, it was at Barry and Linda Mogul. It was at Barry's birthday party. The first
time he cooked for it. Yeah.
It's the first time you ever had it was at Barry and Linda Mogul. They live in Santa Luz. And Chef Mario did these really cool little eggplant wraps. And Philip, I'm like, you have to try it. You have to try it.
Wasn't it your birthday?
He did not make eggplant at my birthday.
He did some kind of something.
He made salmon wrapped in bacon for my birthday.
Okay.
He did not make
that.
eggplant, trust me.
Okay.
So anyway, he ate that eggplant and became an eggplant parmesan lover.
Yep.
Now you love it. So I know
has to be done right.
Yeah, for me, when I make eggplant, I slice it really thin and I salt it and I weight it down with a plate and then like a big heavy iron thing so that the next day you kind of drain all the bitter liquid off of it. I made some eggplant during this craziness
Parmesan.
in the last 60 days.
The Parmesan, it was good.
And I used the air fryer, didn't I?
Yeah.
It feels like that was like 5 years ago. And it was only within the last 60 days on It's What's Cooking.
And I won't say it was my favorite.
It wasn't your favorite.
No,
was it?
I won't say it.
You liked it? No.
Yeah.
No, because the eggplant was like done. He's just fibbing.
No.
He's just fibbing. He's saying it's his favorite even though we know Chef Mario's is unbelievable.
It is unbelievable.
Yeah. So tomorrow night we're gonna have some fresh seafood from our seafood folks down in Point Loma and at the harbor. Last night we had really awesome ahi tuna sashimi, and we also had that
Really
salmon
good
was crazy.
Salmon.
The salmon was insane. It was like
Sashimi
like
also.
it was sashimi. We ate it completely raw with ponzu sauce, some jalapeno peppers, and some kumquats sliced really thin.
Which was really good. That little citrus was excellent.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was super good.
Mhm.
So anyway, we're gonna get this going so that I don't faint. And in the meantime, everybody stay physically distant while staying socially connected. And we just were in the car for over 2 hours. Hey Deb, we just dropped off biz cards at Megan's. Megan has a business called Lick It Lollipops. She does custom lollipops that are really, really cool. So we ordered a couple dozen of those to help support her. And again, supporting our small businesses. That's what we love to do.
And provide our clients a treat.
And our musicians and our restaurants and our chefs and our, who else? Artists. And tomorrow, I think, is Alexander Salazar's birthday. So he is an artist, and he has those beautiful hearts that I posted that he's selling. And again, you know, all of our artists are not making any money. Kalala, I see you. How are you? More Than Candles.
Hi, Kalala.
We're waiting for our big box of candles to arrive. Hopefully by tomorrow they will. So in the meantime, we will see everybody manana. Peace out.